We're here at the last day of VIVA 2024. We're really excited to show everyone what Wondershare has to offer. You just tried out EdrawMax. What were your thoughts on the product and what do you like about it?
In fact, at first I was really catched up by the great level of presentation and so many elements inside that software. So I tried quick demonstration and I was very amazed by all that level of of AI that the software offer. It's easy to use. So I really want to deep inside more in that software because it seems that's really cool to use.
What were your thoughts on the AI features in the product?
I think very powerful, very intuitive because it's kind of the same way we use AI tools. At first glance, that seems to be a very nice product.
My name is Bian Chao. I'm working from Huawei. I'm based in Paris. Actually, I'm using their product every day because our company, they have already acquired the license by batch for the project and also because for me, I'm not a very heavy user, so the function is quite good and enough. For the startup, the time is really short and comparing with the Microsoft, it's a lighter version, I think, and it's quite functional and quite enough. And I believe the license is also affordable for the small and medium business.
Hi, I'm Said. I'm software developer. I'm developing a platform named New Gen AI.
If you were to do brainstorming or mind mapping with AI, how would you like that to look?
Actually, I tried the tools this afternoon named Wondershare Edraw. And it helps to have a mind map in 1 second, just a prompt, not what you need, and you have the prompt, the mind map, the mind map, or any diagram that fits to your needs.
Well, that's it for VIVA 2024. We're happy that we came and we're excited to bring Wondershare to future tech events.